Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you 3 ways to unlock Samsung phone pattern lock if you forgot it. Method 1. Move Samsung pattern lock with Cocosenor Android password tuner. Open a browser and go to Cocosenor official website. Find Android password tuner. Click the download button to download it. OK, install it on your computer and launch it. OK, now choose Unlock Screen Lock option. Click the Start button. It asks you to keep the phone connected. Just do it. Then click the Next button. Choose the Samsung brand from the context menu. Click the Start button to proceed. Alright, now you can follow the guide to reset Samsung phone. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons. When feeling little vibration, you can press and hold power and volume up buttons. When you see the Samsung logo, release all buttons. Then you can click Next on the software to see more detailed operations. Press volume down button to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then press the power button to confirm. Choose Factory Data Reset. Finally choose Reboot System now. Well, now the software is removing the pattern lock and erasing your phone to its default settings. You can set up the phone by following the on-screen instruction. Method 2. Unlock Samsung pattern lock via Find My Mobile. Open SmartThings Find website on any browser of your accessible device. Click Sign in and then sign in with your Samsung account which is used on the phone. OK, choose your Samsung phone and then click the Unlock button. Click Unlock again. Enter your Samsung account password to confirm. Soon, the phone is unlocked. Way 3 Factory Reset Samsung Phone with Google Find My Device. Open Google Find My Device website in any web browser. Then sign in with the Google account which is used in your Samsung phone. Choose your Samsung phone from the device list, then click Erase Device. Click Erase Device again. Confirm the operation with the Google account and password. Sometimes you need to verify the account belongs to you. Click Erase to permanently erase your phone. Okay, the erasing process is underway. That's all.